Hey guys, the new day, the new video on our channel Tech Brothers. Today I want to tell you about UMIDIGI Power 3. Actually, this is not the new smartphone, because the Chinese company announced it about 4 months ago. However, I think you will be interested to know about this device, because it has very good specifications and affordable price. So the price of UMIDIGI Power 3 is only $150. For that money, you get a smartphone with 6.53-inch Full HD display, Helio P60 chipset, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal memory, 48MP quad camera, and 6150 mAh battery. 4 months ago, UMIDIGI Power 3 looked like something impossible. Even today, it is a very interesting smartphone. By the way, this is the first video with unboxing and first review of UMIDIGI Power 3. As usual, we will publish a video with performance test, battery test and camera test. You can watch all of them by the links in description. You know, we try to make a quality and interesting reviews. If you like our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Thank you! UMIDIGI Power 3 comes in this simple black box. There is only company logo on the front side and a sticker with specifications on the back. Opening the box, you will find greeting card and a user manual. The smartphone is in protective case. It looks like leather, but actually it is silicone. There is also 18 watts power adapter, USB Type-C cable and OTG cable. You can use OTG cable to charge other devices. Very nice. One of the main features of UMIDIGI Power 3 is hole punch display. As you can see, there is a hole in the left top corner. I cannot say that it is very small, but you can hide it with wallpaper. In my opinion, the hole is much better than water drop notch or any kind of notches. Talking about display, it has a diagonal of 6.53 inches and Full HD Plus resolution. The colors and the viewing angles are very good. I have nothing more to add about the display. It is really good for $150 smartphone. Now let's look at rear panel. It looks like metal, but actually it is made of plastic. However, it doesn't look and feel cheap. By the way, the rear panel is not slippery, which is very important. Here we can see the quad camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader in the center. Don't you think that UMIDIGI Power 3 looks similar to Galaxy S20? At least camera design is almost the same. I like it. At the bottom, UMIDIGI Power 3 has a 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, USB Type-C port and speaker. The volume rocker and power button are on the right side. On the left side, there is only SIM tray. You can use a dual SIM and MicroSD memory card at the same time. This budget smartphone looks and feels very nice. It has a comfortable size for one-hand operation, as well as lightweight and a non-slip body. I really like the design of UMIDIGI Power 3. Okay, let's talk about performance of UMIDIGI Power 3. Actually, the video with a detailed performance test of this phone will be in coming days. But now I want to tell you about hardware. UMIDIGI Power 3 is equipped with Helio P60 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. As I already said, you can use dedicated slot for microSD memory card. Also, you need to know that UMIDIGI Power 3 runs on latest Android 10 operating system. This is stock Android with all Google apps such as Play Store, YouTube, Maps and others. The user interface is very fast and smooth. Camera is one of the main features of UMIDIGI Power 3. The main camera has 48MP main sensor, 13MP of wide-angle lens, 5MP depth sensor and 5MP macro sensor. The selfie camera is 16MP. There are many different shooting modes in camera app, but I haven't tested them yet. I will take many photos and videos in different light conditions and then publish a video with camera test. The link to the video will be in description. You know, I think the name of smartphone UMIDIGI Power 3 doesn't mean powerful or high performance. Most likely, power says about big battery. The smartphone has a battery capacity of 6150 mAh. I have tested many UMIDIGI phones, and most of them have a very good battery life. Once again, I'm going to test the battery of UMIDIGI Power 3 in a few days. I will check the battery life of smartphone on a single charge, as well as charging speed. By the way, the smartphone supports 18 watts fast charging. The link to the video will be in description. UMIDIGI Power 3 has a single speaker at the bottom. I won't say anything about it, just listen to audio sample. As I already said, UMIDIGI Power 3 has a dual SIM slot. The smartphone supports 4G LTE bands. It also has NFC, so you can use the mobile device for contactless payments, for example, Android Pay. So, before the final conclusion, I have to check the performance, battery and camera. However, I think they are good for budget smartphone. The price of UMIDIGI Power 3 is only $149, but it has many features, such as big battery, quad camera, NFC, Android 10, dedicated slot for microSD, 3.5mm audio jack, etc. After detailed tests, I will tell you if you should buy this smartphone. So far, it looks like very good deal. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.